Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 20 most useful keyboard shortcuts you can use every day on Windows computer. So I'm going to list them out in this video. I'm going to give out the command and what exactly they do, and this shortcuts, they are very important just to help you maximize the way you work on and how you can work efficiently without stress. So let's start. So one of the 20 most useful keyboard shortcuts is the Control C. Just hold down the Control C, the control button on your keyboard, then tap on or click on the C button on your keyboard. This command actually means you copy a selected items, and before you can do a copy, or before you can copy any item, you have to select that particular item. So once you do that, then you can now hit the command button, which is the Control plus C. Then you can copy the selected item. And also, if you want to cut an item, make sure you select or you highlight on the item. So you just hit on Control button on your keyboard and tap on the X button, then you can cut. The same thing goes with the third one, which is the V. Hit on Control, then you can paste the copy or cut items. Then the Control Z, which is the undo action. They are also paramount and very important in trying to bring back your mistakes. And if you want to bring back the same mistake again, you can also use the Control Y. Then the Control A, which is the Control plus the A button on your keyboard, selects all the item. This is mostly used in a document. If you want in a document or window, if you want to highlight on a particular item. So the next one is Alt plus Tab. This actually helps you to switch between open apps on your computer. Just tap on Window, then Tab, then it is switch for you. Then also the Window key plus K. Just tap on Window plus D button on your keyboard, then it's display and hide the desktop. So you can also try that on your window. You can also use the Window key plus E, which is the open a file explorer. You can also use the Window key L to lock your PC. You can also use the Window key plus I to open up settings. You can also use this Window key, which is Window key and X, just open a search bar. You can use the Window key X, just open a quick link in menu. You can also use the Window key plus the print screen button on the keyboard, just to take a screenshot or to save to the picture folder. You can also use the Control Shift and Escape, the three buttons all together, to open a task manager. You can also use Window key plus V to open a clipboard history. You can also use a Window key plus period, just open emoji panel. This period button, this period can be found on your keyboard. You can also use the Window key plus G, just open a game bar on your Windows laptop. You can also use the Window key H just to start a dictation. You can use the Window key K to open the connect. So all these are wonderful shortcuts you can use on Windows, and they help you maximize your workflow and speed up your work on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.